Welcome to our channel, your go-to destination for all things mobile photography and videography. In today's video, we're diving into the world of phone stabilization with our countdown of the top 5 best phone gimbals. If you're tired of shaky footage and want to take your smartphone filmmaking to the next level, then you're in the right place. Phone gimbals are an essential tool for capturing smooth and professional-looking videos on your smartphone. With their advanced stabilization technology, intuitive controls, and versatile features, these gimbals are a game-changer for content creators, vloggers, and anyone who wants to elevate their mobile videography. From cinematic tracking shots to buttery smooth pans and tilts, these gimbals will unlock a world of creative possibilities. So, get ready to explore our hand-picked selection and find the perfect phone gimbal for your needs. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated on all things mobile photography. Let's dive into our top 5 best phone gimbals and take your smartphone videos to new heights. Number 1. Zhiyun Smooth Q3. Zhiyun Smooth Q3 Gimbal Stabilizer is a versatile tool designed to enhance your smartphone videography. It is compatible with Android, iPhone, and other cell phones, offering a 3-axis stabilization system for smooth and stable footage. The gimbal features advanced face object tracking technology, ensuring your subject stays in focus throughout your video. This makes it perfect for creating engaging content for platforms like TikTok, YouTube, and vlogs. The package includes a tripod stand that allows you to set up the gimbal on any flat surface, providing stability and freeing your hands for effortless shooting. Additionally, an LED fill light is included to enhance lighting conditions, allowing you to capture professional-looking videos even in low-light environments. The gimbal is powered by a built-in rechargeable battery that offers up to 15 hours of continuous usage, ensuring you have ample power for extended shoots. It also features a USB-C port that allows you to charge your smartphone directly from the gimbal. The Zhiyun Smooth Q3 Gimbal Stabilizer is an excellent companion for content creators, vloggers, and anyone looking to capture smooth and professional quality videos with their smartphones. Number 2. Hohim isteady M6 Kit. Hohim isteady M6 Kit Gimbal Stabilizer is a versatile and upgraded 3-axis phone gimbal designed for smartphones like the iPhone 14 Pro Max and Android devices. It offers advanced features such as an AI tracker, CCT, RGB fill light, and is perfect for capturing smooth and stable video footage. With its 3-axis stabilization system, the isteady M6 ensures that your videos remain steady and free from unwanted shakes or vibrations. This makes it ideal for various scenarios, including vlogging, travel, events, and more. The gimbal is compatible with a wide range of smartphones, providing flexibility and convenience. The AI tracker feature enables the gimbal to automatically track and follow your subject, keeping them in the frame and focused throughout your video recording. This eliminates the need for manual adjustments and ensures that your footage is professional looking and engaging. This gimbal is powered by a rechargeable battery that provides extended usage time, allowing you to capture footage for longer periods without interruption. It is compact, lightweight, and portable, making it easy to carry and use wherever you go. The Hohim isteady M6 Kit Gimbal Stabilizer is an excellent choice for smartphone videography enthusiasts, content creators, and vloggers. Its advanced features, including the AI tracker and CCT RGB fill light, combined with its ease of use and stability, make it a valuable tool for capturing high-quality videos with your smartphone. Number 3. Zhiyun Smooth 5. Zhiyun Smooth 5 Combo Gimbal Stabilizer is a feature-rich and versatile 3-axis handheld smartphone gimbal designed for capturing smooth and professional quality videos. It is compatible with both iPhone and Android smartphones, including popular apps like Filmic Pro, making it a perfect choice for content creators, vloggers, and filmmakers. With its advanced stabilization system, the Smooth 5 effectively reduces unwanted shakes and vibrations, resulting in silky smooth footage. It allows you to capture cinematic shots with ease, whether you're walking, running, or engaged in other dynamic activities. One of the standout features of the Smooth 5 combo is the included LED fill light. This fill light helps improve the lighting conditions for your videos, especially in low-light environments. You can adjust the brightness and color temperature of the fill light to achieve the desired lighting effects and ensure your subjects are well illuminated. The Smooth 5 combo is powered by a built-in rechargeable battery that offers extended usage time. It also features a USB port that allows you to charge your smartphone directly from the gimbal, ensuring you can continue shooting without worrying about battery life. Number 4. DJI Ohm 5 Smartphone Gimbal. DJI Ohm 5 Smartphone Gimbal Stabilizer is a cutting-edge device designed to enhance the stability and quality of your smartphone videos. With its 3-axis stabilization system, this gimbal ensures smooth and professional-looking footage, eliminating shaky or blurred images. Its built-in extension rod allows for versatile shooting angles and positions, making it perfect for vlogging, YouTube videos, and TikTok content creation. The Ohm 5 is specifically designed for both Android and iPhone smartphones, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of devices. It comes in a stylish gray color, adding a touch of sophistication to your filming setup. The gimbal's portable and foldable design makes it convenient to carry around, allowing you to capture smooth shots wherever you go. This smartphone gimbal stabilizer is an excellent accessory for content creators who prioritize high-quality video production. It enables you to elevate your vlogging, YouTube, and TikTok videos by providing exceptional stability and fluidity. Number 5. PowerVision S1. PowerVision S1 Smartphone Gimbal is an innovative device designed to enhance your smartphone videography experience. With its portable and compact design, this gimbal allows you to capture steady and professional-looking footage wherever you go. It comes in a sleek black color, adding a touch of style to your filming setup. Equipped with a 3-axis stabilization system, the PowerVision S1 ensures smooth and shake-free videos, eliminating unwanted vibrations and blurriness. This feature is especially beneficial for activities like vlogging, YouTube content creation, and TikTok videos, where stable footage is crucial. One standout feature of the S1 gimbal is its wireless charging capability. It allows you to charge your smartphone wirelessly while using the gimbal, ensuring uninterrupted shooting sessions. This convenient feature ensures that your device remains powered up for extended filming periods, enhancing your productivity. The gimbal's face tracking technology enables it to automatically follow and keep your face in the frame as you move, ensuring that you're always the center of attention in your videos. Additionally, the gesture control feature allows you to control the gimbal's movements using simple hand gestures, providing a hands-free filming experience. Thanks for watching, and that's for all this video. If you liked this video and it helped in any way, please give this video a like, and if you don't want to miss out on any future videos, subscribe to the channel. I hope to see you in the next video. Till next time, see you guys.